Before you spend money on a scanner, watch this. Everything you're about to see was scanned with nothing but a smartphone. Today, we're testing the Document Scanner app to see if it can actually replace a traditional scanner. We'll test scan quality, OCR accuracy, PDF creation, digital signatures, and a few hidden features that most people never use. Let's get started. Think about the last time someone asked you to send a signed document, a scanned ID card, or an important receipt. You probably searched for a scanner or took a photo that didn't look professional. That's exactly where the Document Scanner app comes in. It turns your smartphone into a portable scanner that fits right in your pocket. Let's put it to the test. I'm using a normal printed document, nothing special. Watch what happens as soon as I point my camera at the page. The app instantly detects the document, captures it automatically, and creates a clean, high-quality scan in just a few seconds. No extra equipment, no complicated setup. Just point, scan, and save. One of the most frustrating parts of scanning documents is fixing the edges manually. With the Document Scanner app, you don't have to. Just point your camera at the document, and within seconds, the app automatically detects the page, crops it perfectly, and gives you a clean, professional-looking result. No manual adjustments, just scan and save. Not every document is in perfect condition. Maybe it's an old receipt, a faded contract, or a page with poor lighting. Normally, these scans look blurry and hard to read, but watch what happens with the Document Scanner app. With a single tap, it automatically enhances brightness, removes shadows, sharpens the text, and makes the document look almost brand new. That's a huge time saver, especially if you're scanning important paperwork. Imagine scanning a 20-page assignment or a business report. Instead of creating 20 separate images, simply keep scanning page after page. The app automatically combines everything into one clean, organized PDF. It's fast, simple, and perfect for students, professionals, and business owners. This is my favorite feature. Imagine receiving a printed document and needing to type every single word manually. That takes forever. Instead, simply tap OCR. The app instantly converts your scanned document into editable text. You can copy it, edit it, search through it, or paste it into Word, Notes, Google Docs, or an email. For students, office workers, and freelancers, this feature alone can save hours every month. Honestly, once you start using OCR, you'll never want to type from paper again. No printer? No problem. With the built-in digital signature feature, you can sign any document directly on your phone. Just draw your signature once, save it, and place it anywhere on your document. It's perfect for contracts, agreements, invoices, and official forms. Once your document is ready, exporting takes just a second. Save it as a high-quality PDF or export it as a JPG image. Then share it instantly through Gmail, WhatsApp, Google Drive, or your favorite cloud service. The app isn't just for documents. You can also scan passports, national ID cards, driver's licenses, business cards, and keep everything organized in one secure place. After testing the Document Scanner app, here's what impressed me the most. Fast scanning, excellent scan quality, reliable OCR, multi-page PDFs, digital signatures, and a clean, beginner-friendly interface. Instead of switching between multiple apps, everything you need is available in one place. Whether you're a student, office professional, freelancer, teacher, doctor, lawyer, or business owner, this app can help you scan, organize, and share documents faster than ever before. It's one of those apps you'll wonder how you lived without. If you're looking for a reliable document scanner app that combines professional quality scans, OCR, PDF creation, digital signatures, and instant sharing, the Document Scanner app is definitely worth trying. Download it using the link below and let me know which feature impressed you the most. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who still uses a traditional scanner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.